what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we got the song 17 on the ukulele, and if you guys haven't yet, go check out the guitar tutorial that I did. I'll have it somewhere around here, but yeah, let's get started. This song, you know, we got the ticking there, we also got some strumming. So let's start off with learning the chords. First chord we're going to learn the C, then A minor, then F, and then G. Okay, so we're going to be using these 4 chords here for the entire song, except for the verse, which I'm going to teach you right now. So in the verse we got the ticking. I'll have the tabs on the screen, but basically it goes like this. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of break that down. We'll do the first part, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the last string. So it goes. In the second half. Okay. Again. One more time. So that is going to be the bass line for it. Alright, so now we're going to be using all the chords for the chorus. The strum pattern that I'm going to be using is going to be down, 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 up for each chord. So there's 2 lines in the chorus. It's C, A minor, F, and G. Or sorry, C, A minor, F, and F. Then C, A minor, F, and G. So here's an example. I'll play it slow. You guys can follow along. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the strum pattern that I used, and the chords, I don't think that's the exact tempo of it. So when you guys do play this song, then you guys can either it's going to be faster or same pace. But that is the ukulele tutorial of the song 17. If you guys haven't yet, also go check out the guitar tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.